This is phenomenal. I have a different energy, okay? I don't know what else is going on out there in the luxury community, but Jerusha is just having a private party. Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching JerushaCouture.pty. I cannot believe this is my life. What if I collaborate with them and I take you with me to Japan? I would like to thank today's video sponsor, and that is Zen Lux. Zen Lux reached out to me. I was a little bit like, oh, okay, have I heard of these guys before? After doing research, I realized, hello, genius. ZenLuxe Japan is a newer model of a marketplace that brings all Japan consignment resellers together for you guys in one shop. So instead of going through and finding amazing Japan consignment resellers, which there are a million, rather than you going to their websites and ordering from them, you are going to come to one marketplace and you're going to shop there and have it all taken care of in one spot. So if you want to shop Atlantis, Tokyo, Reference Japan, Allure Vintage, one of the most famous Japan consignment resellers. Hello, they bought Jane Birkin's actual Birkin for $8.7 million. I personally know Mr. Shen, and trust me, he is the zhuzh. ZenLuxe has it all in one spot. So what does that mean? Every single step is taken care of by them. You will browse their website where all of the items for these Japan consignment sellers is listed in its condition. Full photos are taken. Everything is on the listing. You're adding to cart on ZenLuxe. It is used as a marketplace like many other marketplaces. However, everything is taken care of. You add to cart. Your logistics and transfer is taken care of. It gets sent straight to the logistics center of ZenLuxe. Then it goes through their authentication process, which is pin, prick, perfect. This is the number one reassuring point about this marketplace. Not only with Entropy, but an entire team of authentication experts. The item is then prepared for worldwide free international shipping. If you're anything like me and you scour these marketplaces that have pre-loved consignment resale, you may see with the crises going on in the world, these shipping fees internationally have gone up. And I mean the price of an SLG gone up on their own. It has a tracking number and signature on delivery. You can follow your item all the way to your doorstep. And I don't know about you, but I've been listening to the horror stories too much about lost items, packages going missing, packages being opened. I need reassurance if I'm going to do this, that is for sure. Going through all these steps, they offer 24/7 customer support. And this is the crowning moment for ZenLuxe Japan. All customers have a 30-day money-back return guarantee policy. If that is not the most reassuring thing, I don't know what is anymore. I was in contact with another company that did not have this. As far as I'm concerned, as a shopper, as a customer of these sites, especially the fact that it is free shipping, that's an incentive. However, if you're not happy at the end of the day, it is just a win-win. So the company has also provided me with my own personal discount code. I will leave all the information below. But it will be Zen JerushaCouture.pty. I will put it here on the screen. I am so incredibly excited to collaborate with them, have them as a sponsor on this video. I have been number one. I'm gonna pat myself on the back. I'm gonna give myself the flowers because I have been a number one Japan consignment reseller consumer pretty much since day one of this channel. I have spoken about not only consignment resale all the way around. I have mentioned in my last videos that I just want to push the button on this. I want to talk about it because in 2026, there's still ums and ahs, but a marketplace like this, like ZenLuxe, takes out the guesswork. So when I saw this wish list handbag of mine on ZenLuxe, you knew with free shipping, I had to get it here and unbox it live with you guys. Shopping from Japan consignment resellers is sometimes a little iffy. I'm not too great with smell, so I have to, when I shop resale, just double, triple check. That is why 30-day return policy with ZenLuxe is everything. So let's go ahead and do this. This is live. Doorstep. Left it to do it live with you guys. Literally packed up perfectly. Oh my God. I'm so nervous. Wish list. Okay, good start. I always smell. I'm like, Will says I should be one of those, the security dogs? The security dogs for the CIA. It's true though. I'm not gonna lie, it's true. Cute! So packed up by ZenLuxe. So we have, oh sweet, so you get 500 yen off your order with another code inside. Love that. So you get the thank you. This is perfect. I'm gonna link all of that information below. We were doing exciting all year. This is phenomenal. I have a different energy, okay? I don't know what else is going on out there in the luxury community, but Jerusha is just having a private party, okay? I am having a private party with ZenLuxe. We're just hanging out. We're just hanging out. I'm coming to Japan and I'm taking you guys with me. No smell. That's a win. I'm just gonna give it away. It's so heavy. Okay. Everybody else is out there going crazy. I'm here sniffing stuff. Okay, so that has a barcode on it. Okay, no odor. So here we go, our information from Rincan. Wow, they even have their own coupon and their own little booklet that comes with it. Oh my gosh, I don't actually remember. I know, please hold. I don't remember the last time I touched one of these. I actually can't. I really can't. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What? What? It said used. This is not used. This is not. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Okay, Australian, $3,985, good condition. Well, ZenLuxe. Yes, I know I keep smelling, and it is a hard-sided piece from Louis Vuitton. So essentially, it shouldn't, soak up odor, but that, look, I am going to be 100% with you guys from any consignment, okay? From any resale, I am going to smell it. It's a natural part of my personality. Here is the keeper, meaning if you want to keep, you're cutting it off. If you want to look it over, you leave it on. Here, my friends, is new to me through ZenLuxe Japan marketplace. Literally, everyone wants to go in cherry blossom season. Jerusha wants to go in cherry blossom season and go straight to the shops. Number one. This is the Louis Vuitton iconic petite malle in the classic monogram. Let's just take a moment, shall we? Let's just soak it all in, get you a nice clean shot. You can see everything there just as I'm seeing it. You can see all of the corner hardware, which is definitely, when you have hard-sided pieces, which this is, these tend to dent and bang up quite quickly. You can see wear and I guess you can say tarnishing on the hardware here at the front. But truthfully, a bit of a cleanup. This is my first ever petite maille, and it was on my wish list this year. I hope you guys went and watched that video. I will link it up here if you haven't. Absolutely unbelievable. And as I said in that video, to get my hands on one of these, 10,200 Australian dollars. I've just had a look on LouisVuitton.com Australia. Ended up getting this for 3,985. I told you on that video that there are amazing prices out there for petite mailles. They are just a red hot item. You can go on these platforms like ZenLuxe and find yourself an absolute find. Let's go ahead and look it over together. So a S-lock closure is a push button closure and undoes like a buckle to open it like so. There we go, beautiful. I can see a little bit of hairline scratches, but the bottom of this still has plastic on it. This piece of leather here, this barely looks used. I feel like I literally am gasping because I'm looking at this at the same time. This is all live, happening right now, people. Downtown Sydney, Australia. Why am I saying that with a Canadian accent? Downtown Vancouver. It flips up like so, and then it just opens. Nothing. Not an odor. What a win. What a win for Jerusha's clinical compulsive disorder. Ding. So down inside we see the Malletage print on the back there. We have Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. Flip around this side. There is its strap packed all beautifully. That is all packed by ZenLuxe. There is its barcode. So this is their packing. They repack it obviously after authentication process. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There is maybe 1 or 2 imprints in the corner. There is no soiling. Oh my God. This is such a find. You guys, this is such a find. Look at that. So petite maille, famous for 1 card on the back. I've seen people load up cards. Let me find the date code so we can ask someone far more superior in petite mailles, i.e. Amelia Rose. Amelia Rose's closet has 1 million petite mailles, slight exaggeration, but truthfully close to 1 million. And she knows them so well. So if I get the date code, maybe we know if this is the smaller width or the larger width. This was made on the 10th week of 2017. This is probably the original width. They gave it a little bit more in earlier models now. Does it particularly matter? No, because I'd be obviously using this as a clutch, a quick run around. I would use this as a run around because listen, we ain't going out to galas and parties every weekend. That's not what this family does. I'm pretty sure someone just had this, kept it on their shelf, wore it once or twice and just look, parted ways with it. Look at that, perfect. That went on perfect. I extended it a little bit. We'll stand up and put it on for you. Ooh, let me do a comparison. Let me get my Eva clutch. Hold please. Here is my Eva clutch. Hi Melita. Yes, I just gave one of these brand new away to one of my subscribers, Melita. This is the petite maille next to it. So that kind of gives you a rough idea if you do know the Eva. Lengthwise, a couple of inches longer, but taller in the petite maille. But then again, it's hard-sided, so it's not a malleable situation. This is my PM cosmetic case next to each other. See there, same type of length and width as a cosmetic case. Let me just show you my phone. I have the regular iPhone. Don't know what year it is. I don't have the big one. That will fit nicely inside there with plenty of space, which you can see. Ooh, nice. That's on the longest setting. Yes, the longest setting. I am very tall and curvy, as you can see, but still we can access it perfectly like so. I kind of like a higher drop at the moment. I'm wearing all shoulder bags. I'm not cross-bodying that much anyway. Only if I'm in, say, the supermarket. You need 2 hands, but not that much anyway. And then that would just be clutching. Let's just show you. We already have my phone in it. Car key, we will go ahead and take it off the luggage tag. We could put the luggage tag on the side. to keep Mussy with us. That's his initials. Car key we obviously would need. I'm going to show you in the card holder at the back. So this is a bunch of points cards all together. I will show you that. Or down inside. So essentially you don't need a card case. But if we be honest with ourselves, we still want to take our card case because we're all like that. Oh, look at that. It looks like it's all just standing there for you. But the issue is going to be the width of it because it is hard-sided. That is the width you're dealing with. So you're going to have to definitely downsize in the thickness of each item. How cute is that? Mussy's going to be so stoked that that matches. It black calf leather matches all the black calf leather trim. He's going to love that. God, I can't believe this is a wish list handbag and I got it. See, we're doing exciting all year. That's it, period. I don't care. I am so happy and excited. So again, I am going to leave all of the information to ZenLuxe Japan below. Please go and check them out, guys. Truthfully, I feel like I was one of the first to talk about luxury consignment resale and the belief in it and to put your trust in it. And hey, look, the idea of circulating, the idea of moving it around, and the idea of no shame if you can't walk into these boutiques and pick these up brand new. No shame, especially if you want to get your hands on an amazing piece like this is for this much % off retail price. So thank you so much again to ZenLuxe for sponsoring this video. I am beside myself. Maybe we have to get on an airplane and go to Japan. Meaning you and me. That's we, you and me. So if you liked this video, guys, and loved seeing this unboxing, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. You can now hype our videos. When you go to comment, there is a swipe on the side and you can press the button hype. This is showing YouTube and the algorithm that we're amazing. If you also haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, there is a button below. I would appreciate that, guys. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.